Feed him some soup. Here, here's your soup right here, Jackson. Right here, Jackson. Here it is, down here. Put your hat on.
Oh my goodness, baby cow. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, baby cow. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness.
You gonna feed him some soup?
Don't drop it.
Oh, he dropped it. He didn't mean to. Uh-oh. You pick it up for him? You pick it up for him? Thank you, Jackson. Give him a spoon? All right.
I'm gonna get some more.
All right. Say thank you, Jackson. Say you're welcome, baby coat. Is that your dump truck?
Ice cream. You want to go bring home?